So that's why there's no more Boxycharm unboxings.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. I'm going to tell you today why I canceled my Boxycharm. So every month for the past year, I guess, maybe a little bit less, I've been doing, I love Ipsy. I've been doing Ipsy unbaggings, and I've been doing my Boxycharm unboxing. And so far, I've loved getting a Boxycharm. Not everything not all the makeup that I've received in the Boxycharm have been winners. I've given away or, friended or whatever a lot of the palettes that we've received in them. But most of the skincare was excellent that we got. If it was, the palettes were kind of iffy, but if it was skincare or a primer or something other than a palette, it was usually pretty fucking good. And that made me happy. So I kept getting it. One off palette wasn't really that big of a deal to me. Because usually the skincare was worth $50 compared to the $21 you paid for it. I don't remember which one I canceled on. But there was previews being shown, and Suva Beauty, who I had just recently started to love, said they had a palette that was going to be in Boxycharm. I was like, oh shit, I want that palette. And yes, I know they have variables in some of the boxes, and you don't always get the variable that you want. I understand that. So I was just really hoping that's what I got, and that was going to be in my box. My box came, and I opened it ready to see, hopefully that palette, maybe one of the other palettes. And it was a fucking... Let's see how this looks. And this...
The boys!
The fuck? Stop being so loud.
I didn't get any of the palettes.
This is a ceramic mini styling tool. One of those hair straightener things. I do not want this shit. I guess I'm canceling Boxycharm. This is not makeup. I don't really need it. I have 3 up. There's a box up on top of this bathroom thing. There's 2 or 3 in there I don't fucking use. Don't need this. I got, I think, an eyelash curler once, and I got other makeup, brushes, and other makeup tools, which is fine. But I signed up for Boxycharm to get makeup. A makeup tool like an eyelash curler or a brush or something like that is acceptable. That I'm fine with it. I love brushes, and I always need a makeup brush. But I got a hair straightener. I didn't fucking sign up for a hair subscription box. I don't care that hair straightener was worth $75 fucking dollars or $95 or what. I don't give a fuck. I, first of all, don't use hair straighteners. That's just not why I signed up for Boxycharm. I signed up for makeup. A hair straightener is not makeup or a makeup tool. At all. So I was like, oh, well, fuck this shit. I'm going to cancel it anyway. And then I had read that, because I had some Boxycharm charm points saved up. And I had read, so originally that's why I was going to cancel it, because send me a fucking hair straightener, and that's fucking stupid. So I was getting ready, and I had read or heard that to spend your charm points that you get from reviewing and all that kind of shit, to spend those, you have to do it before you cancel, or you lose them all. I was like, alright, well, I'm going to spend those because I wrote reviews for that shit. I deserve those. So I went to the chart, they call it a charm room, and everything in there says how many charms it's worth. And on there was a Boxycharm that we had gotten before that had I don't remember which one it was. It was the one with the It Cosmetics mascara. But I wanted that because it possibly had that green clean cleanser, which I fucking love. So I was like, yeah, I'll spend $21 worth of charms to get this, the chance to get this clean cleanser, because I really liked it, like a lot. I was like, alright, well, it's free, whatever, I'm using up points, I don't give a shit. So I ordered it, and the thing went through, and I looked at it, and it said, alright, we took the money out of your account, and your thing will be on its way. What the fuck? So I went and looked at my bank account, and sure enough, they fucking charged me $21. And there's no email to contact to cancel. There's no cancel order button. There's no phone number to call. There's none of those things, at least for me, were easily found. I could not find a phone number. No email address to email them with problems. No cancel my order button or option. Any of that. Are you fucking kidding? I don't want to buy this shit. I want to spend my fucking charms. No. So, I was fucking pissed. Not happy. So I filled out the form that they have on their help page. That's the only way they have easily found to contact them with a problem. And it said, we'll contact you in 12 to 24 hours or whatever. Like, alright, what the fuck? This is bullshit. Because they took the money out of my account real fucking quick. That's for damn sure. So, I sent them an email and said, you charged me for this thing, and it was in the charm room. Here's the screenshot. I screenshot it and everything. Like, you did this, and this is not, it was not supposed to cost me any fucking money. And they sent me back an email, and they're like, well, it did cost money, and you paid for it, so sorry, we already started formatting it, or we already started processing it, and hope you enjoy your boxy. What? You can't fucking cancel an order? Are you fucking kidding me? That email didn't even come till 2 days later. 2 days after so no wonder this shit's already on its way, because I fucking tried to cancel it 2 days ago, and your ass didn't get back to me. Are you fucking kidding me? It was ridiculous. And I said, no. I sent him another email, through their forum, because that email said, do not reply. I said, no. I tried to contact you when I got it, that I don't want it. This is not acceptable. So that day that I ordered it, I actually went to my bank and said, listen, I don't want this. I tried to call them. I tried to email them. I tried to give a form. They have not responded. So they went ahead and canceled the order. I actually never received the fucking box. It never showed up. So I don't fucking know where it is or what happened to it. All I know is they didn't give me my money back. The bank got my money back for me. And fuck you, Boxycharm. I'm never getting you again because of the hair straightener and the whole mess with the charm room shit. So that's why there's no more Boxycharm unboxings. So thanks for watching. Hope that was interesting or whatever. So see you next time.